RCAT stock analysis and RCAT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So RCAT holdings, I've seen a 5.4% decrease in price. An overall interesting ticker because I have to scroll up on the higher time frame just to kind of establish the direction, in which in this case for me is going to be the long side. So I'm open-minded for buy, right? So what does this mean? It means that I want to see a double break in order for me to take things up from a swing perspective. And honestly, this is all just longs for me. But since it's kind of correcting itself down yet again, it's only really going to be so if I see like a 1 hour or 30-minute shift. If that happens, sick, then I'm going to take things up. If it doesn't happen, then I'm just not going to buy, like ultimately. So I'm not going to sit here and just want to force trades, you know. So I will continue to keep you updated. In the meantime, I will keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and very lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.